All right, so we are out camping. We just bought for 35 bucks from Walmart our Weber compact grill. We had purchased one. It was his father's that he bought probably like 2 decades ago, and we've been using it for a long time, but it started to get kind of rusted out, so we decided to change over to a different one rather than replace the grate. Anyways, so we're gonna go ahead and assemble this bad boy, and we'll be cooking with it tonight. Okay, so step one is you're gonna take one tiny washer, put it onto the screw, stick it through the plate, and then put on a bigger washer and the back end of it. So usually you have a flathead screwdriver. We are camping, so we have a knife that we're stubbing in, which works just fine, just not a sharp knife. All right, and we're gonna move on to step 2, which is put the bowl on. Okay, so we got little washer.
Have to do it one at a time, dude.
Yep. Flip it. And then we're gonna do big washer and then the back end of things. And be sure to drop it. Okay, big washer and our back end.
I'll get it slightly snug and then we'll tighten it up.
All right, next one. So we're just gonna move across. We got 3 to do, so we're gonna do all 3 right now.
Weber Smokey Joe, the perfect mini outdoor grilling grill.
We gonna grill some chicken on it tonight.
We're gonna grill some buffalo chicken tonight.
So we got all 3 legs connected. Boom, that's done. This has to be the most adorable grill I've ever seen. Jimmy's gonna go ahead and put the grates in. You wanna handle that real quick?
Yeah, I guess this is just an extra.
Well, I guess so, because we used all of them.
Yeah, that one's got one, that one's got one, that one's got one.
Unless that's part of the lid assembly, which it is not. Weird. Okay, I don't know if you guys will experience the same thing, but we have a washer on all sides, so. Oh my God, the Smokey Joe, it's so cute. All right, now this is gonna be challenging because it's supposed to be a Phillips head screwdriver on this bad boy, and we didn't bring one.
You gotta have something.
We gotta have something that'll work. Again, ideally have a flathead and a Phillips head. It'll make your life a little easier, but honestly, this knife isn't doing a terrible job, so we're gonna call it a win.
It's getting it done.
It's difficult, but it's getting it done. Better leave it loose and not scratch the plastic though. So if you get it tight enough, just leave it, and we'll do it more when we get back. Okay.
It's a little loose, but it'll work.
Oh my God, this is the cutest grill. So this is actually like our first grill to buy, because we've always been either given grills or used Jimmy's dad's camping gear. Is that the cutest? 14 inches in diameter and perfect for cooking our chicken wings tonight. And we will show you guys how that goes. Alrighty. Got 2 pegs. Now James came from a hunting and camping family, so he knows all the tricks. We like to get gallon Ziplocs, marinate for a couple hours, and then baste after marinating. It's gonna be boss and it's gonna be spicy. And of course you gotta have that ranch dip, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
A little bit in there, about that much. Mix these up nice and good, yeah. We're gonna let them marinate in buffalo sauce.
The best $30 you ever gonna spend.
And then while we're grilling, while they're cooking and all getting close to done, we'll baste them, hit them one more time.
Bam. All right. Yeah.
Oh, are these ones we're putting with the hot sauce?
Yeah.
Dude, it's already got buffalo on it, and then we're gonna dip it in ranch,
This is
bro. It's
gonna
gonna
be
be
charred.
amazing. Response to what you're saying. That's all. It's not a big deal.
She don't respond to what I'm saying, so I always say it's not. You said it was oak, right? Oh, bigger. Have you done pecan? Yeah. I like pecan.
Some eggs up, yeah.
Yeah.
Nom.
Yeah. Got the eggs on fleek.
Here we go. Ready? Next round.
Hot fire. They cook fast. Got us some eggs, got us some bacon, some taters cooked in the bacon grease, bunch of cayenne pepper.
Well, as long as I win that trip, What are you doing?
Just gotta call me.
I was just filming you filleting it.
Don't do that!
Used to use lighter fluid, but we started doing tumbleweeds because they're supposed to be healthier for you. Getting them coals put in there. Yeah. As soon as I finish filming, I'll cut his head off. Whoa.
That was good. I guess it splashed a little butter out.
I guess.
You know what I'm totally gonna do though? Give these potatoes a little smoke flavor in a minute. After them seasoned up a bit. Yeah, get them smoked. Yeah.
Gross. Got some ham, got some cheese, little pepper, little salt, little egg.
Yeah, it's gonna be nummy.
Dude, this hot sauce. Tried it out in Port Aransas for the first time. It's fire, bro.
Yeah, that stuff, dude. That's so good. Try some of these ham, eggs, and cheese. Yeah.
Dude, this grill's hold up all weekend.
Super
It's
good.
cooked every meal we've had.
Yeah.
It's like $35 for this thing. It's pretty awesome.
It was good.
It's done a good job to us. Thank you, little grill. You're so tiny and so cute and so awesome. This is probably the best meal we've made breakfast-wise. This is fire. So it's got Colby cheese in cubes, and then we got ham cubes and eggs, and then that hot sauce on top. Oh, so good. Here's your little potato. Delicious.